What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Elegoo's PETG carbon fiber in green. So one of the things I'm a fan of with Elegoo is the fact that they don't put a sticker or anything on their cardboard box seal. Some other brands do, and it's very annoying to me. But love the fact that they don't. I love the fact that it comes in this nice Mylar bag that's resealable, provided that you don't necessarily mess up the way that it opens, as happened with me a little bit there. But as you can see, these resealable bags do great in a pinch. They keep out moisture, and also, because they are completely solid, they're not clear. They don't let in UV light or anything like that. Anyway, this is the green in carbon fiber. As you can see, it's a nice rich green there. Comes with a desiccant pack. But anyway, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the filament dryer, and I will see you back here shortly for that benchy. All right, if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in generic filament settings in Bamboo Studio, in this case, generic PETG-CF or PETG carbon fiber. So we're going to go ahead and get that sliced up. It should take just shy of an hour. Yep, right at 45 minutes or so. Anyway, next up, we will get that printed and all the other test prints. And here they are. So like I said, we start out with that generic benchy. As you can see, absolutely beautiful green color. Very, very shiny. Looks great and still has that matte finish. Next up, the dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral Voss mode. And next up, we have the temp tower. The temperature tower, right at 240 degrees. Looks to be the best one. No stringing and no globbing there. Retraction test performs similarly. Again, no stringing or anything like that. Max volumetric speed test. This one performed very well at 28 millimeters per second cubed, or excuse me, no, sorry. There was a little bit of 27 millimeters. There was a little bit of edging, like skipping on 28 millimeters. So I'm going to suggest going with 27 or below just for purposes of this. Next up, we had the overhang test. Overhang test performed very well, up to 80 degrees. There was some loss of quality on the back end. Just something to be on the lookout for if you're looking at working with this filament. Next up, we had the got those things dialed in, and we reprinted that benchy. As you can see, looks absolutely amazing. Again, no loss of quality or stringiness or anything like that. Anyway, at time of filming, you can pick this up over at Amazon. Link is in the description down below for less than $19 per kilogram, which is pretty good deal. So anyway, my overall thoughts for this one is that great color, love the matte finish-esque of that, still has some shininess if you get the settings dialed in and everything like that. Anyway, that's been Elegoo's PETG carbon fiber in green. If you like this type of content, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, do all those nice YouTube things. I'm a relatively new channel, and it does go a very long way. Anyway, I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you back here for the next full review. Thanks.